Hi friends, today I'm going to do almond cookies. In Maltese we call them Biskuttini tal-Lewz. For this recipe we need 1 kilogram pure ground almond, 800 grams sugar, 8 egg whites, almond essence and raw almond. First step, beat egg white with a mixer and using low speed. While beating egg white, add gradually sugar. Gradually add pure ground almond and almond essence. Increase the speed till all the ingredients mix well together. Switch off the mixer once it's ready. Line a tray with rice paper. Wet your hands with warm water and form the balls. Place the balls on the tray and leave some space between them. Put raw almond on top of each ball and press it a bit. Preheat the oven up to 170 degrees centigrade. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes till lightly brown. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and leave comments below.